In June 2024, NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams embarked on a mission to the International Space Station. Their trip, planned for just 1 week, extended to nearly 9 months due to technical problems with their Boeing Starliner spacecraft. These issues made the craft unsafe for their return to Earth. During their extended stay, Wilmore and Williams conducted over 150 experiments, contributing valuable data to space research. Despite their productivity, concerns grew about their prolonged time in space. For Reuters, the situation caught the attention of President Donald Trump. He instructed Elon Musk and SpaceX to prioritize the astronauts' safe return, criticizing the previous administration for not acting sooner. Elon Musk responded promptly, collaborating with NASA to plan a rescue mission. He praised the teamwork between SpaceX and NASA, highlighting their joint effort in ensuring the astronauts' safe journey home. On March 18, 2025, the SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule, carrying Wilmore Williams, Crew 9 Commander Nick Hague, and Russian cosmonaut Alexander Gorbunov, successfully splashed down off the coast of Florida. This marked the end of their extended mission and a significant achievement for the involved teams. Fox News shows NASA spokeswoman Bethany Stevens credited President Trump's leadership for the mission's success. She emphasized that without his intervention, the astronauts' return might not have occurred. Stevens also expressed support for Trump's nominee for NASA Administrator, Jared Isaacman, suggesting a focus on future missions to Mars and beyond. The safe return of Wilmore and Williams underscores the importance of decisive leadership and effective collaboration in addressing challenges in space exploration. It also highlights the need for reliable spacecraft and contingency plans to ensure astronaut safety during unforeseen circumstances. As NASA continues its mission to explore space, the lessons learned from this extended mission will inform future endeavors. The combined efforts of government leadership, private companies like SpaceX, and dedicated astronauts pave the way for continued success in space exploration. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.